walking in circles.
I say go by the general store. Go by the general store.
Come on, this is my last game, Halo.
Oh, Huggy. Why does this keep turning on?
5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10, 11.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
We have the event. We have a bench. Like we got a bear.
with higher armor.
We should all just chill here.
Yeah. No, we just like take a kill flank.
Someone get him.
No, we should go hide.
I thought we were playing Attack and
We
Defense.
should go hide in that tent.
I don't even
No,
know
we
what
should
we're
go
playing.
warn in there. Yeah, stop.
Top! Wait, what are we even playing?
Playing
Where
time.
Where you wanna
We
go?
gotta just flood the kill house.
Oh, we got more.
We got more.
10.
Alo's gonna give us more people.
Huggy.
If we need
Where
it.
do you want to go?
Huh? What you mean?
Damn, peg box turn off. I don't even know how to turn this damn thing off.
Oh my god, I love the GoPro.
Thank you. I know.
Damn, that is one legit GoPro. One of them invisible ones.
It's the GoPro.
It's not recording. It's not recording at beta.
No, it's just so small, you just can't see it.
Yeah.
It's the white edition. There's
It's
the
the new
black edition.
thing.
Now there's the clear edition.
There's an invisible
No,
edition.
no.
See, black and white.
No,
Wait, let me make sure it's recording.
No, it's the GoPro HD Hero 4.
No, time pass.
Alright.
It's so thin you can't even see it.
Hero 4,
It's the
Invisible Edition.
I just got the Hero 3 now.
It's like they actually make that as a product and people buy it. Like $500 and there's nothing in it.
It's just the shell.
Yeah, right?
I'm
$400.
getting cramps on my hands. Where my
707.
Where my whole hand's like.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey, troll.
Hi guys. No! Just kidding.
Don't touch my camera because it's not the back one.
I know.
Because it's not on there good.
Here, wait, Evan. Want me to like?
It's recording.
Wait, can you turn my GoPro on and make it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Are you getting more people or no?
There you go.
Maybe you're not getting
Hey. Say hi to the camera.
more. Hey.
Hey.
Oh wait. Hey.
Hey. It's my GoPro.
Oh, we got 3 more. Three more.
Anyone good?
We got 3 more.
My camera's full, so I can't record
Oh,
anything.
damn.
What are you talking about? Whoa, that's porn.
Punch me in the face.
I was recording too much porn.
Yeah.
Like what?
Too much prawn. Hey.
Hey, son,
Hey.
Format for ready to go for.
Hey guys, I just want you to know you're on camera.
It's like you go through history and like people for it.
It's in there. You just can't see it. It's
enough.
GoPro
You
Hero
like
4.
old games.
Invisible edition. Dude, you're on camera.
Chinese octopus porn.
Your angle shit.
I want to get those condor. I want to get one of those condor nameplate plate carrier thingies, and I'm gonna put it on.
I'm one of the Minecraft characters.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we should do a Harlem Shake.
No, you gotta go.
You gotta go like this.
No, here. Yeah.
Frick.
No.
Oh, you're gonna smell that in a moment.
So we're just gonna rush kill house.
Hey guys.
We're just gonna get into kill
Oh my god, that smells.
Just keep on getting into there until we got it all locked down and just
Hey, Evan.
stay in there, sit on it.
Evan, near the time when you did that yesterday.
Yeah.
The whole thing is gone.
Oh no, it's in my the things. I have it.
Everybody has a fast travel. Speaking of air freight.
Guys, back up.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, we're being evicted! Never mind, wrong movie. Wrong movie.
You want to rush that fucking side door?
Sorry, guys. Wait.
My suggestion.
Yeah, that's
take
that
the
door.
side
Wanna
door.
go POW and give cover? Yeah, the door. Let's go POW. There's a hole that leads left.
I'm gonna go straight for hospital. Just to get my goggles clear.
I like
Like I can't see
I
anything.
like your GoPro.
Like a good
Yeah, we're gonna run into suicide, so just cover us.
Wait, can we go first? Because we're gonna go POW.
like a good neighbor. Troll 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, isn't it?
Nice dump house, Charlie.
Thanks.
We are?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks different than all the other ones.
Thank you.
We were going.
Go straight for hospital. You can go straight for
Okay.
I'm gonna go straight for
Okay.
Dude, let him go first. He's just gonna run in and hit him.
It's time to get naked!
Wrong movie again.
Whoever's fastest,
Huggy.
we're gonna be right behind you.
Huggy.
Wait.
I'm not.
Hey, Lee.
We're just gonna flood it. Go.
Go. Run. Run faster. got it?
Yeah, we got it. Hey.
Ow! Damn it, that hurt. Fuck, that really hurt. Stop, you good? Fuck. I don't know.
We got the timer, right?
Yo, keep him down for a sec.
All right.
Hit! Yeah. Ow! Bang! Bang! Bang!
Bang! Bang! You were already dead when you threw the damn grenade. What do you mean? When you came in and you threw it right here, I said bang bang.
Oh, I didn't hear it.
Yeah, I know. You did that.
Yo!
I got it.
Where you at?
Right here.
Alright. Here you go.
Thank you.
Doorway to the suicide.
Yo. Bang! Hit! Alright.
Watch out right there. There's no...
There's an X on it. Someone's going to get destroyed.
Let's go back.
Watch out.
Yeah, we just got a bang bang.
Yo.
So where you going?
Break out! Shut up.
Sorry.
Yo, bang! I just do a thunder beat.
Halo. Yo, Halo. Those two guys. Yeah, I shot them in the back.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Play.
Go, move up.
Move up, guys. I got the window.
Sorry. Hey! Where the hell is that coming from? Oh, fucking ricochets. Watch the wall. Take my spot. Yo! Take my spot. Move. Go, move. Move up through. Hit! Good shot! Yo! Where's Top?
I'll go with you, Pro.
Alright. Huh?
I
I don't have a sidearm.
Cookie.
I don't have a sidearm either. I'll go with you.
Top!
He's over here. Okay, he's over there.
Okay.
Evan, okay. Hit!
We are getting pushed into our spawn!
I have no weapons.
Try to go the other way. Ready, Kyle? Bang! Bang, bang, bang!
Come on, get out the corner.
To the room, watch the room. Watch the room.
Ah! Hit!
Stop! Move up! Watch the windows. All right. I know. They got some in suicide. Yeah. Watch yourself. I got one.
I got this call.
I know. You get that side, right? Distract them. Call that! Where the hell am I getting hit from? Same team! Oh shit, we gotta get it. Are you out?
No.
Fortune cookie.
Yeah.
Are you out?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'll move up there. Alright, cover me.
I think we got it.
Alright, we need to get into this doorway. Alright? Bang! 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 Bang!
Yellow! Sorry, white tape has taken the timer. Nicely done. Stone tape, you only need 20 more seconds. Let's go. Delete that for a picture. Right there. Delete. I don't think I'm kidding.
Top, we got it. I got it. Okay. Just cover it. Damn it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck.
You like that little tumble?